Downtown Hagerstown with a lot of yellow sunshine, blue sky here on this Tuesday. High pressure is continuing to near from the north and west, and that's why, again, it's only 82 degrees, a little bit breezy with those winds at about 10 miles an hour, but again, very comfortable out there so far as we've gone throughout much of the day today. Temperature-wise, again, we are seeing mostly those lower 80s, and now we just got out of the 70s through the 11 to 12 o'clock hour, and now we're going to stay steady again into the middle and upper 80s, so warming up a few more degrees over the next few hours. But again, look at all of this comfortable air. Dew point readings in the 50s and 60s, not something you normally see, especially through the middle of July. It's very rare we get a reprieve from the humidity of this kind, and you see the 70s back into portions of Pennsylvania, but like I mentioned, generally holding in the 80s across the four-state region outside of the highest elevations of the Blue Ridge Mountains. And the satellite and radar picture is all quiet after we got those last few showers and clouds out of here. That was the last we saw of any sort of activity. There are some clouds down to the south and west, but aside from that, again, we're looking at still crystal clear blue sky continuing along here, as high pressure is going to be the main player in our forecast the rest of today and then tomorrow as well. Another slow low pressure center makes its way over the Great Lakes, and those fronts are also going to be very slow moving with that as well. So very slowly, humidity returns starting tomorrow, and rain chances as well, going from isolated on Thursday to more scattered in nature on Friday, which that will be the best day, or best chance anyway, for any rainfall. But over the next couple of days, we're not talking about much happening. Check it out the rest of the afternoon. Just some clouds that'll be around in a few spots to the north. Otherwise, continuous sunshine all the way into your Tuesday nights, and pretty much keeping with the clear sky all the way into your Wednesday as well. But clouds are going to start to return as some of that humidity and moisture builds back in late on Wednesday afternoon. Still, rainfall will hold off for the moment, and then as we get into Thursday, that's when we'll start to expect to see some of those clouds eventually turn into some rain showers and storms. But check it out temperature-wise this afternoon. We're only going to be in those 80s. Another comfortable night, still seasonal, mainly in the 60s, not those lower 70s like we had been experiencing. But tomorrow we start to warm up. We'll get back into the upper 80s. A few locations definitely getting into the lower 90s as well. And then overnight low temperatures heading into Thursday are going to be back on the warmer side, mostly in those lower 70s. So the warming trend will start to arrive tomorrow, and we'll have a slight warming trend the rest of the afternoon into those middle and upper 80s. Again, still feeling very comfortable the rest of this afternoon. And there's those rain chances Thursday, Friday, the best chance, and over the weekend, a lot of dry time, but some spotty storms cannot be ruled out.